Today we are in lesson 8. Let's go pencils down. Today we are in lesson 8 of our unit, and we are actually going to start with writing today so that we can have a quick jumping point from where we left off yesterday. So I know not everybody got their opinion essay finished, but we're cruising along. We are going to spend some time, maybe 5 minutes, to go ahead and put some more work in on it. And I'm going to show you guys what our goal is from there. So how many of you, show of hands, feel like you're completely done? You have 5 paragraphs. You have your reasons down on there. Five paragraphs. You have your reasons on there. You feel like it's well-formed. Okay, so there's a handful of you. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going to come after that then. So we have those 2 pieces out. We have our organizer and we have our writing out. The next piece that we're going to get into today is a self-reflection. Now, anytime this is very much like a checklist, but it goes a little bit deeper thought in it. So once you get to the point where you're done, and not everybody's going to get there today, but we're going to move to the self-reflection anyway. Pencils down, we're not writing right now. The self-reflection is you going back and actually spending some time reading your work, okay? And you're going to look for a few different things. It says use the chart to reflect on strengths and weaknesses of your rough draft. So this is your rough draft. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not final. You're going to take some time today to make it better if you have time. But you're going to look at some different things and you're actually going to write down. Does it have to be complete sentences, do you think?
No.
Nope. When you have tiny boxes, it's notes. You're going to write down a strength and a weakness for each of these areas. So a weakness is something that you can improve on, right? A strength is something you feel really good about as you look at those pieces. So I introduce my topic. Where should you find that at? The topic sentence, that first paragraph, right? You should be able to introduce your topic. Look back, find where you introduced your topic, and write down a strength. What did you feel good about when you did it? Did you use good wording? Did you feel like you captured their attention? Maybe your strength is that you did it. Your weakness. Maybe your weakness is that you didn't do it. Maybe your weakness is that it's not clear. Something, even if you want to find a strength and a weakness for both of them. Because do we all have areas we can improve? Yeah. No one in this room is perfect yet. I'm not perfect yet. Even looking at my writing, there's definitely things I could do better. I stated my opinion. Find a strength and a weakness when you stated your opinion and get that written down. I use strong reasons and clear details to support my opinion. These are going to be those middle 3 paragraphs. So what were your reasons? Were they strong? Did you use details that support those reasons? Find a strength, find a weakness. Maybe it's a very specific strength. My first paragraph was great. My second paragraph needed work. That kind of thing, right? Quick notes. What could be better? What did you do great? I wrote a conclusion. Where are you going to find that at? The last paragraph, right? Did you have a conclusion? How'd you feel about it? Could you make it stronger? What was the weakness? This is maybe an 8-minute thing to fill this out. So if you're sitting there for a long time staring at it, you're probably not quite doing it right. 8 minutes, quick self-reflection, strength and weakness for each of these. It's notes, but it's nice and neat and organized as you guys are doing it. Sound good? This is that first piece to the self-reflection. The back page has another. It says, make a list of things you want to ask your teacher or another adult to help you before you revise your paper. So what are some things that you might need help on? A list, right? Topic sentence. Maybe you don't know how to do that. Maybe something you need to ask is, what else could I add to this paragraph, right? So maybe that's something you write down. What else could I add to my paragraph about everybody praying to Mars? Like, I'm a little stuck on that. Could you ask an adult for a little help? Yeah, so maybe very specific things to you that you might need some help on. This will maybe take 2 or 3 more minutes. So this is like a 10-minute process for our self-reflection, okay? Does that sound good? This is our goal for the next few minutes. I am going to give you 15 minutes all together to work on your writing and do your self-reflection. If you're not done with your writing yet, what do you think you should spend the first 5 minutes doing? Writing. Don't jump to the self-reflection if your writing isn't done. Is there a chance you're going to do your self-reflection before you're completely finished?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. And you're probably not going to have a strength in your conclusion if you don't have one, right? Something to think about. But spend the first 5 minutes writing. Pencil to paper, put your energy and your focus in, and write for the first 5 minutes. If you're done, then you can go to that self-reflection. After 5 minutes, I'll have everybody shift their focus. Sound good? I will be circulating around the room. So, Miss Johnson, you guys need help? Raise your hand. We are here to do our best for you, okay? Kason, what is your question? Others might have it as well. Fabulous question, Kason. Thank you. This is page 89 when you get there. I'll make sure to put it on the board. I'll just leave this up. And I'll write page 89 at the top so you can see it. Sound good, Kason? What a great question. Emery. Nope, you should be okay because this is that self-reflection of did you actually go through these pieces and get your work done? Okay, go for it.